Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to use the Close Filter tool in Blender 3. Let's get started. Select the cube and go to Edit mode. Select all faces. In the Edge menu, select the Subdivide function, write the value 4. Select these edges. In the Selection menu, select Sharp Edge. Press the right mouse button and select the Bevel function. Go to the Sculpt mode. In the Face Sets menu, select the item Face Sets from Edit mode selection. Go to Edit mode. Select these faces. In the Face Sets menu, select the item Face Sets from Edit mode selection. Go to Object mode. In the Object menu, select the item Shade Smooth. Add Subdivide modifier and apply. Go to the Sculpt mode. Select the Close Filter tool. Select Filter type of Inflate and activate checkbox Use Face Sets. Move the cursor over the polygroup and drag the cursor to the left. Move the cursor over the polygroup and press H. In the Mask menu, select the item Fill Mask. Move the cursor over empty space and press H. Press button A and select the item Smooth Mask. Press button A and select the item Invert Mask. Select Filter type Expand. Move the cursor over the polygroup and drag the cursor to the left. Select the Mesh Filter tool. Choose the type of Sharpen. Write the value 5. Press button A and select the item Clear Mask. Select the Close Filter tool. Select Filter type Inflate. Move the cursor over this polygroup and drag the cursor to the left. Move the cursor over this polygroup and press Ctrl-Alt-W. Move the cursor over this polygroup and drag the cursor to the right. Hover the cursor and press Ctrl-Alt-W. Move the cursor and drag to the left. Hover the cursor and press Ctrl-Alt-W. Move the cursor and drag to the right. Select Filter type Expand. Move the cursor over this polygroup and drag the cursor to the left. Move the cursor and drag to the right. In Object mode, add Subdivision modifier and apply. Now let's add some detail to the fabric. Select the Mask brush. In the properties of the brush, activate Symmetry and write the value 4. Now let's draw a mask here. Select the Close brush. In the properties of the brush, select Expand, Plane, Line. Start adding details. In Object mode, add Smooth modifier and write the value 25. Congratulations, we are done. Thanks everyone for watching.